Welcome to Machine Makers. This is a pneumatic setup which we have made for crimping of ferrule lugs or EHI terminals like these. The machine is completely pneumatic, runs without electricity, is operated through foot pedal. Now we will see few trials without changing any setup. We will try and complete crimping right from 0.5 square mm to right up to 8 AWG, which is nearly 9 square mm. So let us start. We'll start with the smallest wires. All wires are properly crimped. Now we will go to a higher size, that is we will go to 0.75 square mm. Now we are trying 6 square mm. This is 10 AWG. Sorry, this is 8 AWG. You can see how beautifully these also have come out. And this is 10 LWG. So right from the biggest to smallest, or smallest to biggest, we have done in one single setting. It's very easy, simple to operate machine once it is properly set.